Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Brood X is a 17-year periodical group. The periodical cicadas of Brood X, those that emerge every 17 or 13 years, are emerging from underground by the billions if not trillions. The last time Brood X was out of the ground was in 2004 and they will return in 2038. It's considered one of the largest broods ever.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Brood 13, a 17-year cicada, will come out in Illinois, Indiana, Iowa, Michigan and Wisconsin. Brood 19, which emerges every 13 years, will come out in Alabama, Arkansas, Georgia, Iowa, Kansas, Kentucky, Louisiana, Maryland, Mississippi, Missouri, North Carolina, Oklahoma, South Carolina and Tennessee. One day ago.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Cicada Brood X are expected to emerge across several states in the U.S. this year after 17 years living underground. There can be as many as 1.5 million cicadas per acre, which brings the brood population into the trillions.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.